Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FxPro app. You will click on settings. In this page here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about FxPro Direct. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of FxPro app as you see here. And here if you find update in this, not in this page, if you updated the application of